Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Resource allocation questions get easy fast when you match each economy to who makes the decisions. Then the correct choice basically reveals itself. Start with the command economy side. Command means a central authority decides what gets produced, how resources get used, and where they go. So central planning must appear there. Next, check the market economy side. In a pure market system, buyers and sellers interact through prices. So market forces, not planners, direct resources. That is the key distinction. Put both halves together and compare the wording. The only option pairing central planning with command and market forces with market is option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Don't rush on familiar buzzwords, trust the given definitions, and check both sides before locking your answer.